Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my finale to the Partners in Cream Project Pan. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so today we are doing my first Project Pan finale of December, and that is, of course, Partners in Cream. This was a project created by Steph Lyons and Dylan from Outward Processing. I will link their channels down below, as well as all the information you need to know about this project. It is wrapping up. I am unsure if it is coming back next year. I hope it is. I will be doing it if it's coming back. If it's not, my cream products will just make their way into the other projects I am doing next year. This will probably be a quick video. I don't have a ton of progress to update you on, but we do have one empty, so that is exciting, and we'll also kind of go over this project as a whole for the entire year. So let's get started. I had 4 products left to work on since the last update. So starting off, as per usual, we've got my Flexitarian highlighter, which this is what it is looking like right now. I'm going to hold it over here, and up here I will pop in a picture of what it looked like when I started this project at the beginning of the year. I know I've made a ton of progress on this item so far this year, and I used it an additional 13 times since last month. I was really hoping to have this product done by the end of the year. I really thought I could, but it's just a hard product to pan. This was the highlighter I used the majority of the year, and I still wasn't able to finish it. I had pan bringing it into the project. So I'm fairly confident I can get this out next year, hopefully within the first half. I'm going to be taking a break from this highlight for a little bit, but I think come February or March, this will be rolling back into projects. So happy to get progress on it, but I wish I had finished it. Another product that's been in from the beginning that I really thought I would finish was my ColourPop Third Eye lipstick. I've only used this 5 times in the last month. I've made, again, great progress. I will insert a picture of what it looked like when I rolled it in, but we've made a tremendous amount of progress, and you know, this probably could have been done if I used it more, but at the same time I was able to rotate through my lip products this year, and so that's okay too, and you know, I want to find that balance. So a little bummed that I didn't get this done. I'm again going to be taking a break from it. I would like to finish this next year, but I don't know. I feel like I might just want to rotate my lips through my lipsticks a little bit better than I did this year. I don't know. We'll see if I bring this into a project next year. We'll see. Again, I also don't use lip products as blushes because I have cream blushes, and I'm always afraid that the product is going to break me out. It's just not a risk I want to take. So yeah, I probably could have finished it if I used it as a cream blush. And next we had my rotating Super Shock shadow. Last month I rolled in the shadow Dost Thou Comprehend from the Hocus Pocus collaboration from ColourPop, and I used it twice, and this is what it looks like, so not like a ton of progress. I didn't really expect to hit pan in this. Was I hoping to? Yes, but it's fine that I didn't. I hit pan. I have, I think, 2 Super Shocks left that need to have pan on them, so either they'll be rolled into this project next year if it comes back, or they will make their way into my Pan Those Shadows next year, and we will hit pan on them. I find Super Shock shadows pretty easy to hit pan on, so I'm not worried about it. And finally, we have my empty, and that is my nail polish. This is the Hook and Line nail polish from China Glaze. This was from the Hunger Games collection a very long time ago. I worked on this in 1 or 2 other projects this year. So for this project, we were at that black line underneath the blue nail polish line. So we started right there. I think I had 2 uses last month by the update, and I used it 2 more times and I completed it. I ended up finishing this by putting it on my toes, and I was only able to do really 1 layer, and it was getting pretty goopy, so called it done. This was the one nail polish I really wanted to have done by the end of the year, and I'm really happy to have it done. I really enjoyed this nail polish. I don't have an exact dupe for this in my collection, but I have something similar that I like a little bit better and is a little bit more special. But China Glaze nail polishes are, of the mainstream brands, my favorite nail polish brand. I think they're really, really nice, and they're pretty long lasting. Even this older polish I found held up nicely, so really happy that I was able to get this done by the end of the year. I wasn't so sure in the last update because I had just gotten a manicure and pedicure, and I had just gotten some new nail polishes in, but I was able to do it. I used this, like I said, once on my toes and then once under a multi-chrome polish I got, just kind of as a base because the website had recommended putting like a black nail polish under the multi-chrome. And so I thought, well, let's try it with this dark gray, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to get this out of my collection. And that is my progress for this update. So let me pull up my Project Pan spreadsheet and we'll kind of go over what I accomplished in this year. Okay, so for as of my like year-long stats for this project, I had worked on a total of 22 products. 12 of those I finished completely. 6 of those I hit my goal, and then 1 of them I ended up rolling out. And then the other 3 were the 3 items that I had left this year, the Super Shock highlight, eyeshadow, and the lipstick. So I'm really, really happy with that progress. So I'm really, really happy about this project. I think I was able to accomplish a lot. I finished a lot of lip gloss. How many lip glosses did I finish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip glosses. Now granted, most of those were minis, but one of them was the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And one of them was a gloss I really did not like, the e.l.f. gloss. Didn't like that, but I'm really, really happy with the progress I was able to make in this project, especially with 2 very long haul products, being the lipstick and the Super Shock highlight, but I'm really, really happy. Let me know how your Partners in Cream project went down below. I'm excited to watch everyone's finales. It's always super exciting. Again, a very exciting time in the panning community, seeing everyone's finales and like intros coming up. It's so exciting. I love this time of year. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!